name of the band is Hyena. It's an indie electro band.
We spend a lot of time in our studio developing our sound and developing our songs and practicing. So it's pretty important for us to sound good, sound tight.
I'm always engineering and doing remixes and sound balance, and the way it hits and punches is like, this is what I do every day. So it's all about the music, it's all about sound. The Nines are pretty cool. I like the way they sound. I like the bassiness of them. Like, they have a good punch to them. I've done a few remixes when I was on the road, remixing for the club, and so I feel like that they were a little more relevant to like how it's going to hit in the club, and they just look cool.
It's a fashion statement versus something that actually works now.
I don't even use over-the-ear headphones anymore. I'd just rather use these.